I'm here with the guys from Flying Finn RC. We had a lovely day out flying yesterday, and we like a bit of RC, but it's not good for flying today, is it, chaps?
It's a bit wet.
It's a bit wet. So we're out with these two buggies, or trucks, you might call them. The Anger 16th scale Top Gear race truck. Now, what can you tell me about these guys? You've done a couple of laps to get used to them. So what are they, brushless?
They're brushless. They've got a solid beam rear axle.
There you go.
Yeah.
Four-wheel drive. In actual fact, the suspension layout's very similar, or how it would be on actual racing stadium trucks.
Yeah, which is quite cool.
So they are four-wheel drive, great for loose surface.
Got gyro built in.
Wow,
yeah,
really?
That's a game changer.
How does that help?
So it stops it looping out when you go fast around the corner. What I mean by looping out, basically, it stops the car spinning out. So you should be able to get some good sideways action with them and still go around the corner.
Right, cool. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So you get everything in the box with these. So you get the truck, you get the battery, you get the charge lead, the USB charge lead, you get the controller. You just need to put 3 AA's in the controller.
Yeah,
the transmitter.
Stickers to go on the body.
Oh, more stickers to go on. We didn't put all the stickers on, but
it comes with spare body pins, which is always handy because they're easy to lose.
Yeah.
And it's got the lights built into the body, and what's really good, they've got quite a long coiled cable, so when you take the body off, you're not going to damage the wires. So yeah, it's a LiPo battery. I think it's a 1100 2S.
2S.
Yeah.
Pack. Okay. But you get the charge lead, so you just literally plug it into your laptop or a plug, and you charge it up for 45 minutes. You're good to go.
Yeah.
Right. All right. So you've had a bit of orientation. I've given you a chance to do a little bit of practice, but now we're going to do a race. Yeah. Brothers.
Brother versus brother. It could be dangerous, I think.
Could be very dangerous. I don't want these broken, please, guys.
Yeah. Who's quicker then?
So we're on this little BMX track. Bike track, which is good. It's a little bit narrow, but honestly, guys, if you go off into the grass, that's your problem. Then you're gonna have to retrieve your own bit, or maybe your dad. We'll get your dad running around to retrieve the truck.
Putting them on track.
You're gonna have to put this one on track a few times.
Okay, that sounds promising.
All right. Let's put them on the start line. Let's do some racing. It's going to be 3 laps.
Sweet.
Okay, 3 laps. All right.
Finn versus Ollie.
Yeah.
Here we go. All right, so we're ready to go with our first race. We've got Finn driving orange and Ollie driving blue. Ready to go, guys?
Yeah.
All right, Mr. Starter, go for it.
Right, Bugs, get set, go!
So we've got Ollie in the lead. He's gone off. Finn has gone off again. But hopefully he's going to catch up. Ollie's had to go and retrieve his own car. He has to come back to his position. He's actually catching up. No pressure on Ollie, so they're not actually that far apart. Finn now got to keep it on the track, and he's gone off. Ollie's off.
Who put that there?
Here comes Finn. Finn slides around the corner. That is that 2 laps done? 2 laps done. We're on the final lap, and Finn is leading. Ollie's on behind. Oh, he's flipped. So Finn is playing it safe. Ollie's got to go flat out to catch him. We're coming up towards the finish line, and Finn wins.
Oh, I flipped it.
Oh, and he flipped it past the line, and here's Ollie. Good race.
Yeah, I tell you, they're good fun.
Even 3 laps.
Yeah.
Even over 3 laps, it changed lead from the start. Well done. So, verdict on those, was that a difficult to keep them on track? It's quite narrow.
Yeah, about to say, like as you see, the track like a car lengthened a bit, but they're awesome. About to say I didn't struggle with it.
16th scale brushless trucks proves that, even though we like flying most of the time, you can come out on a drizzly wet day in autumn and still have a lot of fun.
Yeah.
Thanks, guys. Appreciate that.
Yeah, and adios.
Adios. The link for these is in the video description and a pinned comment. Bye.
Yeah.
Okay.